Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to check internal storage and RAM size of any Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe and like in the video. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here. I'm going to click on here to open my phone settings. Then take you to this particular page. Next thing you can do here is to simply scroll down, and then you have to look for storage right here. Click on storage. Alternatively, if you cannot see storage section on your phone settings right here, you can simply make use of this search icon right here. Just type in storage. So let's check it out. So if I make use of this icon right here and I type in storage, so I'm getting the same result. So right here, we have internal shared storage, we have storage, we have internal storage. So what you need to do is to simply click on storage. So by clicking on storage, it takes you to all information about your phone storage. And right here, you have the phone RAM from the top, followed by phone internal storage. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to check your phone internal memory and your phone RAM on Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.